Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming eligibility and gathering essentials. Check your credit score because Discover approvals favor higher scores. Once done, have your SSN, income, photo ID, and bank routing number ready. Apply online, choose the card with the cashback categories or intro APRA that matches your spending. Fill forms carefully. Make sure to enter income and address exactly as on file. After submission, expect an instant decision or short wait. Once approved, activate the card and set up online access. Once your card arrives, activate it in the app or by phone and sign into your Discover account. You should set up autopay to avoid late fees and choose a payment date that matches your cash flow. Make sure to enable billing alerts and a strong password with two-step verification. Set a 4-digit PIN and enable contactless or mobile wallet payments. Enroll in Cashback Match if eligible, and customize merchant category alerts. That way, you monitor rewards and spot unusual charges quickly. You now use the card strategically. Activate and track rotating 5% categories each quarter and plan purchases around them to maximize rewards. Make it a habit to pay the full statement balance to avoid interest. If using 0% APRA offers, schedule repayments before the promotional period ends. If something goes wrong, freeze the card in the app and call Discover immediately. Then file an in-app dispute and monitor your credit report for anomalies. Finally, make sure to adjust auto-pay or billing date as your finances change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.